Okay, the next term is babalo or bomboklat. I don't know. Babalo, I think it's a Filipino term, and bomboklat is Italian or somewhere in Europe. I don't know. Babalo is like Babalo in the Philippines, the comedian actor. But it's actually a bullied to person, like stupid or something, sorry. Or if you are given a task or saying to a person but she didn't hear it properly, or he didn't get the exact instruction, like you are giving a task, or can you get me a water please, but he's giving you juice. So that's how we respond. Babalo this guy. Bomboklat is similar. Ay, bomboklat. Alright, just for fun.